Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about one of my all-time favorite exercises, the squat. In this video, I'm going to show you how doing daily squats can transform not just your legs, but your overall body aesthetics. Squats are among the best compound exercises out there, working multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Trust me, incorporating squats into your routine will enhance your sports performance and improve your daily physical movements. Think increased calorie burn, improved core strength, and even better posture. Can daily squats help transform your entire body? Keep watching to find out. Let's be real, who doesn't dream of having a strong and sculpted booty? Daily squats are your secret weapon. When you squat, you're directly targeting your gluteus maximus, the largest muscle in your behind. Squats don't just build strength, they also tone and shape those glutes, giving you that lifted, sculpted look you've been working towards. But remember, form is key. Focus on squeezing your glutes as you rise from each squat. Imagine you're cracking a walnut between those cheeks. This helps promote glute activation and ensures you're getting the most out of every rep. Avoid thrusting your pelvis forward or overextending your hips at the top of the movements. Keep that core engaged and those movements controlled for a safe and effective workout. So get squatting and get ready to rock those jeans with confidence. We all want to feel strong and powerful, right? Squats are the king of strength-building exercises. They work wonders for your entire body, building functional strength that translates to your everyday life. Think about it. You squat to pick things up, you squat to sit down and stand up. It's a movement we use constantly without even realizing it. Squats are a powerhouse for improving force production and power output, essential for enhancing your sports performance. Whether you're into running, jumping, or lifting, squats will give you that extra edge and help you take your game to the next level. So, embrace the power of the squat and unleash your inner strength. You'll be amazed at what your body can achieve. Let's face it, injuries are the worst. They sideline you from your workouts and can really throw a wrench in your fitness journey. But here's the good news. Incorporating daily squats into your routine can help prevent those pesky injuries from happening in the first place. They strengthen the muscles surrounding your joints, like your knees and ankles, providing them with the stability and support they need. Squats also work wonders for improving your flexibility and mobility, which are crucial for maintaining healthy joints. Tight, weak muscles are a recipe for disaster, increasing your risk of strains, sprains, and other painful injuries. By incorporating squats into your routine, you're ensuring that your muscles are strong, flexible, and ready to tackle whatever life throws your way. So invest in your long-term health and fitness by making squats a non-negotiable part of your routine. Having a strong core is about so much more than just getting those coveted six-pack abs. It's the foundation for a healthy, functional body, supporting your spine, improving your balance, and enhancing your overall athletic performance. And guess what? Squats are a fantastic exercise for building a rock-solid core. You might think of squats as primarily a leg exercise, but they actually engage a surprising number of core muscles, including your abdominals, obliques, and lower and mid-back muscles. These muscles work together to stabilize your body during the squat movement, ensuring proper form and maximizing those core strengthening benefits. By incorporating squats into your routine, you're not just building strong legs and glutes, you're also developing a powerful core that will improve your posture, reduce your risk of injury, and enhance your overall athleticism. So, ditch the endless crunches and planks, and add some squats to your workout routine for a fun and effective way to sculpt that strong, toned core you've always wanted. Want to take your workouts to the next level and see better results? Then you need to prime your body for success. And guess what? Squats are the perfect warm-up exercise to get your body fired up and ready to crush your workouts. As a multi-joint exercise, squats activate a ton of major muscle groups, raising your body temperature, increasing blood flow, and preparing your muscles for the work ahead. This increased blood flow delivers oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, while the increased body temperature helps to loosen up your joints and improve your range of motion. The result? You'll be able to push harder, lift heavier, and perform better during your workouts. Squats also help to improve your motor patterns, ensuring proper form and reducing your risk of injury. By practicing the squat movement before your workout, you're teaching your body how to move efficiently and effectively. So, make squats your go-to warm-up exercise and set yourself up for a successful and injury-free training session. We all know that calcium and vitamin D are essential for building strong bones. But did you know that strength training is just as important? Lifting weights and challenging your muscles actually stimulates bone growth, making them denser and more resistant to fractures. And when it comes to strength training for bone health, squats are at the top of the list. The weight-bearing nature of squats puts stress on your bones, which in turn signals your body to build more bone mass. This is especially important as we age, as bone density naturally declines, increasing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Squats also help to improve balance and coordination, reducing your risk of falls, which can be particularly beneficial for older adults. So, whether you're young or old, male or female, incorporating squats into your routine is a wise investment in your long-term bone health. It's never too early or too late to start building stronger bones, and squats are a great way to do just that. Looking to torch calories and boost your metabolism? Then squats are your new best friend. As a compound exercise, squats engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, requiring a ton of energy and leading to a greater calorie burn. The increased muscle mass you'll gain from incorporating squats into your routine will also help to boost your metabolism, even when you're at rest. To really maximize your calorie burn, try incorporating squat jumps or squat pulses into your routine. These variations add an extra challenge to the traditional squat, forcing your muscles to work harder and burning even more calories. So, if you're looking for an efficient and effective way to torch calories, sculpt your lower body, and boost your metabolism, look no further than the squat. Good posture is about so much more than just looking confident and put together. It's crucial for maintaining a healthy spine, preventing back pain, and ensuring that your body moves efficiently. Squats strengthen the muscles that support your spine, including your back, shoulders, and core muscles. This helps to improve your spinal alignment, reducing slouching and promoting a more upright, confident posture. Squats also help to improve your body awareness, making you more conscious of your posture throughout the day. As you become more attuned to your body's alignment, you'll naturally start to correct slouching and adopt a more ergonomic posture, even when you're not working out. So, if you're looking to stand taller, feel more confident, and prevent back pain, make squats a regular part of your routine. Balance, flexibility, and mobility are essential for maintaining an active lifestyle and preventing injuries. Whether you're an athlete or simply want to move through life with ease, these three components are crucial for optimal physical function. Squats engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, improving coordination and strength, which are essential for maintaining balance. The movement also requires a certain degree of ankle, knee, and hip flexibility, which can be improved with regular practice. Squats help strengthen the core muscles, which play a vital role in stabilizing the spine and improving balance. By incorporating squats into your routine, you'll be working on your balance, flexibility, and mobility all at once. It's a win-win situation for anyone looking to improve their physical function and reduce their risk of injury. Let's be honest, one of the main reasons we all love squats is for those killer leg gains. Squats are like a magic potion for your lower body, sculpting strong, toned legs that will turn heads wherever you go. Squats don't just work their magic on your quads, they also target your hamstrings and glutes, giving you a complete lower body workout in just one exercise. To get the most out of your squats and maximize those leg gains, it's crucial to maintain proper form. Keep your feet pointing forward or slightly outward, knees behind your toes, shoulders down and back, chest open, and spine neutral. This ensures that you're engaging the correct muscles and minimizing your risk of injury. By incorporating a variety of squat variations into your routine, you'll target your leg muscles from different angles, promoting balanced muscle development and preventing plateaus. So, if you're ready to sculpt those lean, defined legs you've always dreamed of, make squats your go-to exercise. Wow, you made it. Since you've reached this part of the video, allow me to give you a couple of tips from one fitness enthusiast to another on how you can add variety to your daily squats. Remember, variety is the spice of life, and it's also the key to keeping your workouts fun, challenging, and effective. One of the easiest ways to switch things up is by modifying traditional squats. Decrease the range of motion, change or add weight or modality, change the weight's position, add another motion in between reps, or slow the tempo down. Remember, It's all about finding what works best for your body and fitness level. True transformation happens both inside and outside the gym. Make sure to watch this next video to learn more about the habits that will lead you to a healthy, lean, and attractive body.